Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Tally Ho playing cards number 9, a Dougherty linoid finish. United States Playing Card Company, linoid finish, made in the USA. Original fan back, which states there quite handily. There's a front, top, poker number 9, and bottom, Tally Ho, poker number 9, 2011, United States Playing Card Company. So they're fairly old, 8 years. We're going to crack in there and have a look. So we're in. Now the cards were very snug inside the tuck. It's quite hard to show you that on camera, but they are very, very snug. Got Bicycle getting the game, pretty cool. Poker guide. So we've got the Tally Ho Joker here. Magician / ringmaster with his whip and his hat. Pretty cool. It looks very vintage. Same again, black and white. Pretty cool. We've got the Tally Ho playing cards. A Dougherty. Very cool ace here. You got the whip and it's incorporated into the jokers. Got like a horseshoe there. Some sort of scroll-esque fabric here. Wheel in the middle. N9, I'm presuming that is for number 9. N09, number 9. And we go into a standard face. Now these are very standard, just like Bicycle standards in their faces. United States Playing Card Company standard faces. They have that air cushioned sort of finished look to them. You can see there. But this deck's mainly for me to test out the handling, as I've not had many Tally Ho decks. So it'll be interesting to see. We've got a full standard array there, apart from the ace. In the back, very nice, or original fan back. It's got little doves sitting on little branches. Furthermore to that, there's further doves there. These are all sort of connected up by, like, these two are connected, these two are connected, these are connected here. You've got like little fans at the side there, a circle, and then some sort of cherry blossom trees. Very cool. It's nice in red. I do have this in blue as well. Be interesting to have a play with that. I'm gonna keep the ace to one side. Oh, straight from the pack. Handling is exemplary. Very nice. Very smooth in that. See that? It's got a fairly distinguished bend straight away, but this is all part of the breaking the deck in process. Yeah, I mean, the cut looks fantastic. The feel of the deck is very nice. It's just about breaking that deck in, getting it used to being played with. They're not too grippy, which is quite nice to see. Nice even fans. For a very cheap deck, you know, you can't expect a mass amount. And these feel super. And it's a bit different. It's having something different from just a standard bicycle back there. And I mean, these feel great. So yeah, now here we have it. The Tally Ho playing cards number 9. It's the winner. It's cheap, very, very cheap. $3.50 or so. UK, it's probably about $4.99. Obviously been made for a number of years. These are from 2011 and they came yesterday in the post. So still about, going strong, and that's the sign of a good card, you know. It's the reason Bicycle have been around for so long, and it's because they're exceptional quality. So I'm very, very happy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.